How to change password in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are looking for a way to change your password for better security on Phemex, then the first thing to do is to launch open the Phemex app. Make sure that you're also logged into your Phemex account by entering your sign-in credentials. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, after you do that, you'll end up in this expanded menu where you need to click on Security. Inside Security, tap the Change button right next to Password. On the next page, go ahead and enter your current password in the first field. After doing so, head over to the next field and write down a new password you want to change to. While typing down your password, make sure that you include these criteria. After typing down the password that matches the criteria, head over to the next field and re-enter the new password once again. Finally, click on the Confirm button at the bottom and you'll be able to change your password. Next, you'll need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to you via email so that you can make your changes for the password. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive a 6-digit code. After doing so, you'll be redirected to the login page. You'll need to log in with the newly updated password from now on. So there you have it. That is how you can change your password in your Phemex account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.